Hey everyone, I just got back from the farmer's market and I just wanted to do a quick show of what I purchased for the week of meal prep for Daniel fasting. First, I got a big head of delicious looking celery. Whoa, look how big this is. Okay, I also got a head of cauliflower. This I'm gonna roast in my air fryer for some dinners. I got a big head of cabbage. This I'm gonna saute up maybe for breakfast or for dinner as well. And then I got another cruciferous vegetable, which is broccoli. This is gonna be also cut up and air fried, or maybe I'm gonna have this with my breakfast potatoes. I also got some potatoes. I'm gonna boil these and then I'm gonna put them in a skillet with some of the broccoli, maybe the cabbage. Oh, here's some strawberries that are half eaten. I got more broccoli. And then it's springtime right now, so there's a lot of plant starters available. This is parsley. I'm going to plant these in my garden. I'm excited about this because this has a lot of green leafy chlorophyll, and I'm going to add this to some of my smoothies as well as my dishes. So this will just save me some money so I can just grow my own. I don't have to buy fresh herbs every week. I always find that when I buy a big bunch of fresh herbs, they usually go bad before I can actually get to all of it. So I'm excited to just grow my own and have some in my garden. And another thing I'm going to grow too is tomatoes. These are Sun Gold cherry tomatoes. It looks like there's already one that's going to be sprouting soon. So I'm excited to put that in my garden as well. And that'll save me some money on tomatoes throughout the season. Okay, and I bought a bunch of spinach. This is gonna go into my breakfast smoothie that I make with spinach and apples and almond butter and dates and oranges. So I'm gonna wash this and put this for my smoothies. I might also save some and put this for my breakfast scramble. All right, here's another big head of broccoli. These are so delicious. Okay, and then another thing I want to add to my breakfast scramble is these zucchinis. These are going to be really good, delicious variation, so it's not just potatoes and broccoli. It's going to add a little bit of a juicy squash flavor. So I'm really excited about like all of these leafy greens and vegetables that are going to be really good for my body and provide a lot of fiber and nutrition. Okay, and then a few more things is right now in season is what's called green garlic. So this is garlic before it turns into a big head of garlic. This is what it looks like as a baby garlic. And it's got these beautiful green shoots coming out of it. So I'm going to chop these and add them to that breakfast hash scramble. And then the garlic also I can add to breakfast. I can put it in my flatbread that I make. I can also add it to any other dish that I'm making, probably some dinners. I can put it in my hummus. So this is kind of a fun way to use garlic when it's in its baby form like this. Okay, so then I also bought some fresh strawberries, which you can see some already enjoyed. These are just really good. They're packed with antioxidants and nutrition. So I like to buy some fresh berries every week at the market. These I'm just going to probably have as snacks. And then another thing I really love buying at the farmer's market is in this little box here. And it is mushrooms. These mushrooms are grown without being in like fertilizer and manure and all the other interesting things that they grow mushrooms in that you buy at the store. The ones that I get at the farmer's market are grown I think indoor or in just like a more of a controlled environment, and they're so delicious. They're super meaty and they have a ton of flavor. So these I'm going to chop up and put in any meal that would be good with breakfast, like the breakfast scramble. It'll also be good for dinner. It'll be good just with pasta or stir fries. So shiitakes are probably one of my favorite mushrooms. All right, I hope you enjoyed this tour of my farmer's market haul for spring 2024, and I'm excited to share with you some recipes that I make with this farmer's market haul this week. All right, check out my recipes on my website, dailyfoods.com, and be sure to subscribe to this channel if you like anything Daniel Fast related or whole food plant-based recipes. All right, have a great week. Bye.